Hey everybody, how are you? This is Reverend Dr. Ianniello from the North Iowa Wellness Center of Hope. Wanted to invite you to a workshop we're doing here in my office Monday, May 6th at 7 p.m. This is May, it is Mother's Day time, and we like to celebrate women by doing a women's hormonal balancing workshop. This is a workshop I've been doing for 20 plus years. My background in women's hormones goes back over 25 years after I cured my wife's infertility when I was told and my wife was told we would never have children by 3 medical professionals. So I've spent my career researching and balancing women's hormones, and I can tell you from the women that I interview on a regular basis that there's not enough being done to educate women about how to balance their hormones and how to prevent PMS and handle menopause and handle osteoporosis and women's function and what have you. So we are going to be doing a workshop. It is probably the best hour of endocrinology information you'll ever receive regarding women's hormones here at my office. I invite you to come. I think you'll find it worth your time. I look forward to speaking to you then. We'll give you more information when we see you on Monday, May 6th, 7 o'clock at the North Iowa Wellness Center of Hope here in Miller Place. Stay well. Bye.